If somebody must ask me now, what is our stance on employment? I will say in die Weskaap soek ons 50% van alles vir die breinkind. It's how it should be. It's how it should have been. Every other party must sing a different song depending on who is speaking to. Want as nou die wit mense gaan sê, kyk, julle kan nie 70% van management jobs hê nie. Dan gaan die wit mense nie stem vir julle. En as nou die swart mense gaan sê, nee man, ons baklei vir 50% inclusion vir die breinkind, dan gaan sy nie swart stem nie. So they can't tell the truth. We do. Our truth is very simple. Colored lives matter. Since 2017. I see other parties are doing it in 2026. Colored lives apparently only matter when it's election time. Colored lives matter full time. Full stop. We are here. We are blessed. We are graced. Grateful to be here. To look at your faces, because I see your leadership in this one. I see the people that are going to deliver the regions to the colored child. Remember, people, we are not building a short-term